Well, I've been using my log splitter to split all my wood, but there's been one problem with this stupid thing. There was a switch right here. Okay, now there's a water bottle lid glued into place with a wire coming out, which comes around and goes over to here. So instead of having to have two hands and then balance a log that was a little large with my shoulder, which puts me in harm's way, and this is supposed to be a safety switch so that you have to have both hands to operate it, which doesn't give you anything except part of your body to hold the thing on, which is stupid. Anyway, I took that switch out and moved the switch over to the handle, so now all I got to do is push it and run it. One hand, push it and run it. And that's it. So if you'd like to see it work, I'll show it to you. Give me a second, I'll fire up the Jenny. Okay, here we go. Once again, one-handed operation. Shut it off, let it go. She works. And that switch should handle 20 amps, that's what it's rated at. So, we'll see how that holds up, but it should. Save me a lot of trouble. There you go. One empty truck. She did the job. Now I just need somebody to stack it. It's a nice pile though. All oak. Pretty looking, ain't it? Anyway. Yep. Ready for another row here. It might be a whole row right there. Alright, well, getting ready for winter. Hope you're doing the same.